Okay, so these windows, I have this extended off to the side, but under the layers panel again, just extending this down, it has the top three layers, and just the idea that it has the shading on the left. So depending on which ones that you can label that part as well. Just give it a section to it. And if you remember, just kind of simple, keep it the same. Shading was just selecting it, clicking on that for the selection. If there's anything missing, looks like I have a couple things that I can add to it. Just take the lasso tool with the plus sign, add to that. Again, taking a brush, soft brush, clicking on the coloring at least for the darkening, and just choosing a light source in this case. So that's that part. I can always go with the default and just change this opacity to it. And keep in mind, it's just giving the initial darkness to it. And I can change the layer mode to multiply, if you remember. It lets the colors beneath it show through. And that's the shadow for the left. Again, just kind of deselecting it, I still have that part that I can work with. And here's this front panel with a layer on it. So I'm just going to title this right in here. And just select it onto this layer, taking that brush. And I'm just going to kind of just go on the top of it, not too much because I want to have the top part be light. So that's one aspect to it. Change it to multiply, and then go to the top one. So you have left, right, there's the shadow, there's the top one. So just putting a layer above this one, giving this a title. So using that one to select the shape. In this case, I'm going to reverse the color and put white at the top, make the brush a little bit smaller, and just kind of highlight that part. Again, use the multiply to come through it. And now it has a pretty good labeling there. It does still has the vanishing points, so I can help myself with the with that section for the reflection. So here's this perspective on here. So just type that in there. And simply make it a smaller part here. So there it is. So I can still come down, kind of give myself a little guideline at least to help me with the reflection. So I can shift key this down, just put that going from there here, and now that gives me a little bit of position for it. And then just click on the left side. Here's the shadow. Click and duplicate it. And why it's connected, if you look, you can see you can merge the two together, so you can make it as one piece. Command E will merge these layers, so that's that part. But here's the piece. So I have the left, right. So there's the right. These two right here. So just combine them. Click on Command E for the layer, and just go to Edit, Transform, and flip it vertical. Turn off auto select so you can just kind of drop this down, free transform it, and just use this part to angle that piece right up there. And just hit OK. And while it's selected, I can go ahead and put in a percentage. I'm just going to use 26 for that. And then just kind of do the left. left and a top copy. Let's drop this down here. So now I have the left shadow and the left copy. Just select both of these, duplicate it. While it's still selected, just merge it. Transform, flip vertical. Just drop that down. Free transform it, and you can just bump it right up there. Return and just 26. So see if you can